The first thing we did for the online boot camp project is we took a syllabus for Management 124 and revised it to make it accessible for students. After that, we started working on a module for a particular chapter. Inside the module folder, we have a folder that provides a checklist. This checklist shows everything that's covered in the module. The first thing is an introduction video where the instructor discusses reliability. This particular video is right here in this Get Started folder. Then the next thing students need to do is review a section of their previous Chapter 4 that discusses reliability before they go on and read Chapter 4S Supplement, going into more detail about the calculations involved with reliability. After students do their reading, we have a YouTube video about a company called Petzl. This company is an excellent illustration about reliability because they make climbing gear where reliability is particularly important. Also, they will participate in a discussion board about that video. Next, students have 3 short screencast videos that go over the calculations, and they can follow along on a handout as they watch these videos. 2 quizzes are offered where students can try out some reliability calculations after they go over the videos. And then it's time to practice. We have a list of practice problems from the textbook, and we provide answers to these problems. Also, there is a practice discussion board students should use to help answer each other's questions. They're required to use it at least once for points. Finally, we offer a more practice document that covers several chapters, including this chapter about reliability, and we have a quantitative review for the first exam. It serves as a practice exam, and it includes questions about reliability. So let's take a look at where these particular items are located. After the Get Started folder, we have the Petzl video. It's about 11.5 minutes long. After watching that video, we have the questions that students will respond to on their discussion board. After they create an entry in this discussion board, they need to return and reply to a couple other posts. Also, it mentions another discussion forum that students need to look at, and that's for practice problems. The screencast videos are located together in this folder. We have several videos covering the rules for the calculations that students will do. The next folder has the traditional lecture resources, PowerPoint slides for the chapter, and the 2 handouts that students can go over while they're looking at the videos, or they can refer back to later to practice the calculations. Then we have the practice resources. These include the practice problems in the textbook and the answers, and the other more practice documents and quantitative review that I mentioned. Finally, we have a couple of quizzes students can take to try out their calculations right after they look at the videos. And that's it.